Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robo Thoughts. Alright, guys, this is a new series and new playlist, and this series is called the Linux Terminal Commands on Jetson Nano 0 to Hero. Alright, guys, this series I'm designing specifically for those who are starting with Jetson Nano for the first time in your life, alright, or for those who are moving from Windows to Linux operating system for the first time, right? So basically, guys, as we proceed further building projects on Jetson Nano using this Jetson Nano board, it's very important that we understand the basic commands and syntaxes used on the terminal. Now, I know most of you folks who are following me are coming from Windows background, or some of you might even have Linux background, which is fine, which is absolutely fine. But in order to get comfortable using Jetson Nano, you got to start using the Linux command. So in this series, I'm going to teach very basic fundamentals of some of the commands to be used in Jetson Nano, and that's going to help you club it together with my Python series and learn together. All right. Now, once you get comfortable with some of these commands, Linux commands on the terminal, that's going to lead you to play around with the operating system, with the Linux operating system in Jetson Nano. And when we move into little bit advanced stuff of installing some more advanced IDEs like Visual Studio and PyCharm and stuff like that, it's going to be really easy, guys. Trust me, it's going to be really easy. So do just follow. It's going to be a little boring on the terminal, but it's going to really help a lot from the basics, from the scratch. All right, so in today's lesson number 1, I'm going to show you what is a list. Okay, what is listing files in the terminal. Okay, so this is how the command looks like. So let me share my screen on Jetson Nano. Okay. All right, I'm on my window and I am logged into Jetson Nano. All right, guys, so this is how it looks like, right? So the first time you log into your Jetson Nano remotely using putty. I also showed you how to use putty in the previous series on Python. So basically, guys, ls stands for list. Okay, if you want to see the list of files on your Jetson Nano Linux system, use the ls command. How do you use ls? Okay, can you see? You can basically see some of the folders, or you can call it as directories. It's called directories in blue color, right? Those are all called directories. Directories are basically denoted in blue color, and files are shown in white color. Okay, you will find similar color schemes in different flavors of Linux, of course, but basically in Jetson Nano we are using Ubuntu, so this is how it's going to look like. So let's say, for example, you are you want to get into music folder. So how do you do that? Let's say ls, say for example, you want to see what is there in your music folder, or any other directory. You need to type ls minus R. Okay, can you see that? You can see tons of list, right? So this is the entire list on your Jetson Nano at this point of time. Okay, as you start installing more and more, of course this particular list is going to keep increasing. I need to come out of this. So let's say clear. Okay, now guys, ls minus R is case sensitive. So for example, if you use ls say ls minus lowercase r is going to show up an error, or it opens up, but yeah, sometimes, for example, ls minus uppercase r, there you go, it shows the entire list. Okay, okay, now let's move on to ls all, ls space minus all, al, not a double l, it's all. It gives the detailed information of the files. For example, the command provides information in a column manner. There you go. Can you see? Can you see there are each and every separate columns? So guys, this is something very basic, even a small kid can understand, and I'm sure as you go along in this series of tutorial, it's going to be, probably I'm going to create maybe 5 or 10 videos in this particular playlist, so that you get hands-on, and then we will proceed further with our next series, the next lesson which is coming up soon. So I'm going to teach you more and more commands so that you get comfortable. Guys, trust me, you're going to do a lot of packages installation on Jetson Nano, which is basically required for running your machine learning program, and building AI application and building computer vision based applications on robotics and stuff. So there'll be tons of open source libraries I'll be showing you, and I'll show you what command to issue and how to install. So this particular playlist, this particular series is going to be only on basic command, so that tomorrow when we get into the advanced level terminal command, you understand what you're trying to do, right? Alright guys, keep watching, and I'm going to be back soon in the next video. Do give a like, thumbs up. Bye bye.